In this video, we're going to talk about Meniere's disease, what it is, how it's diagnosed, and how we can help. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Loharan. I'm a board-certified upper cervical chiropractor. That means I specialize in treating headaches, neck pain, dizziness, and any other symptoms that come from a head and neck misalignment. Okay, let's start with what is Meniere's disease. Meniere's disease is a tetrad of symptoms: fluctuating hearing loss, episodic vertigo, which means sudden and random dizziness that makes the whole room spin and forces the person to lie down, an oral fullness, which is like a feeling of like when you're in an airplane and the pressure changes, that sort of feeling happening all the time, and finally, tinnitus, or a ringing of the ears. Most people who have Meniere's disease say that there is like a low-grade ringing that they hear all the time. And this can happen in one or both ears. Most patients who come into our office have already been diagnosed with Meniere's disease by an ENT doctor or a neurologist. As you can imagine, these patients are in really bad shape, and there's currently no cure for Meniere's disease. However, a doctor by the name Michael Burcon is the leader in Meniere's disease research and treatment. He's published many research papers, and I will link to some of them in the description below. He's also the only doctor who has spoken at the International Meniere's Disease Seminar every year for the past 12 years. So what does this have to do with how we can help you? We are San Diego chiropractors, and Dr. Burcon practices in Grand Rapids, Michigan. So there is a distance thing there. Well, Dr. Burcon has found that the origin of Meniere's disease is actually in the neck. And his treatment protocols begin with aligning the upper cervical spine first, and then treating the rest of the neck. He calls his treatment the Burcon-specific chiropractic technique. And one of the doctors at Anatomy, Dr. Kathireson, has been certified to practice the Burcon-specific chiropractic technique by Dr. Burcon himself. Wow, that was kind of hard to say. So what does this process look like? Well, a patient comes in, we do a very thorough examination to determine if they are even a candidate for care here. Then x-rays are taken of the head and neck so that we can find all the misalignments that are contributing to their symptoms, and then treatment begins. Treatment length depends on how severe the patient's symptoms are and where they're traveling from. So friends, if you know anybody who is suffering from Meniere's disease and they are looking for a San Diego chiropractor, have them give us a call and schedule their consultation today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any more helpful video topics. I'll see you next time.